Hi there. This is a continuation of the sample demo website and the automation. So the first one I tackled is the demo website with the booking appointment automation form. Now the next one is the social media leads messenger or Instagram automation. So when we connect the social media like the Facebook and Instagram to the high level, when every time there's a message from those social medias, it will assign to the user, create opportunity. Now, if this one is in from Instagram, it will go directly to a new lead. Then there's a notification also to the team who will handling this part that there's a new lead in the pipeline, same as also in the messenger. So as you can see, there's my personal profile. I will send a connected Facebook page. Then we'll go directly to a new pipeline. See, this one from the Facebook goes directly to the pipeline, new lead, and there's also a notification to the user that says there is a new lead from a messenger. Please follow up and put the name, my name, then that's it.